to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Android phone and by mistakenly sometimes you delete some of the data. So how to recover those data very easily with the help of Stellar data recovery software. That one is absolutely game changing for the data recovery, especially for Android. The software are supporting for iOS, Mac, Windows and iPhone as well. But today we target how to recover data from my Android phone. First of all, as a demonstration point of view, I just simply open here my photo application and I delete some of the pictures so we can same pictures recover with the help of Stellar software. I just simply select some of them and delete some of the images, some of the videos as well. 11 photos and videos I deleted, so my entire photo gallery is empty. Now we will see how to restore this entire data with the help of Stellar software. So first of all, you just simply open the Google, type here Stellar data recovery. The first link is display here. The Android data recovery software to recover lost photo, video, contact, music, message, contact, WhatsApp chat, media. Here the all types of information is available. Support Android version 6 to latest Android version 14 and support all types of Android phones including Samsung, OnePlus, and it's very easy. Rest of information is available here. Data recovery for all devices, silent features, and how exactly recover your data. We can see the rest of the video. Just simply click here the download the software size is very small. The software is downloaded, Stellar data recovery for Android. I just simply click here. Do you want to allow the application make change your device? Yes. Now welcome to Stellar data recovery. Say click next, accept agreement, next, location of installation, next, icon create on desktop, install, and the installation process is going on. It's very easy to install the software for your Windows laptop. So installation is done. Complete the install. Stellar data recovery, launch the software, finish, and let's see Stellar Android recovery. Yes. So after successfully install, this message is coming here, how to use the software. All the instruction is coming here. After successfully install, I just simply connect here my Android phone in my Windows laptop with the help of USB-C port. Clearly we need to provide some of the instructions, so accordingly always allow. Which data you want to recover, accordingly you select. So I personally uncheck message, contact, call history, audio and document. I just target photo and video data only. Say next. So my Android Moto G phone is connected on my Windows laptop. I just simply scan, and now is a scan process is going on. We need to spend here around, depend upon how much data you want to recover. Please wait to complete this entire process. So selected Android device is scanned successfully completed. I recover the photo 59 and especially video 157 video. The software are recover using this process. If you click here in the photo section, so bunch of photo is coming here. Even just in the video section, I initially delete 10 photos and those photos coming here in the first position. And second thing is the video coming here 157 video. So you should recover entire data from using day 1 to till now with the help of the software. That one is really amazing software. Now if you want save this data, it's very easy. You select the pictures and just simply say to save, and the photo and video save in your laptop. It's very easy process. Next point come here. If you want purchase this subscription, so prices is here. For 1 year subscription you should receive here 29.99 euro for 3 devices. That one is really nice, and bundle option is also available for $59.99. so this bundle helping you to Android and iPhone as well for 3 different devices. That one is really nice, and this software validity is continuously 1 year. After that you can very easily recover the data with the help of Stellar data recovery software. So this is the simple and amazing process to data recover with the help of stellar data recovery software, especially for your Android phone. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.